Hi guys, atuwa din i-prank dahil si James guys. Na ako'y robos diri guys. So atuwa siyang i-prank. Let's go! Na ako'y just diri so ato butangan. Ito ni siyang i-prank guys. Kaya itong una ako may iyang gi-prank din. Sungugan mo kayo ni siya na ako guys. So, mabalos ta. Tanto na siya juice. Ano ito? Robos. Prank na ito na yung sayang reaction. Dara. Nasa sa gawas karon. Magkuha sa kutsara guys. So nabutang na ito din na siya i-mix. I-mix na to siya. Punan na to gamay. Okay, aron ang gid ba? I-mix na to ni siya. Ito karon sa iyang reaction. So, mo na akong gibutang.
Thank you. 'Cause I just had a general.
There's a reason why they pick those ages. You know what I'm saying? The biggest lie is that 50 years is a big age. That's a lie, dude. You know, it's really good there, honestly. I was doing research and I did.
So karon guys, maligo sa ko guys. So manatag kaligo guys, sumato ta sa kitchen upas sumangil tag lakaw dito kinaman sa dito sa kusina ko. Sige, let's go. What are you doing? What? You feel hot?
Yeah, I'm sweating. You see me sweating right here?
You feel hot?
Yeah, let me see. I gotta wipe my head. I'm going. Oh, I need to drop my pants. Shit.
Yes.
Let me get this on for a while. Get hot again.